Hi everybody, this is a Technique Tuesday post. I just wanted to share something with you just in case you guys use your Cricut for like small intricate things. Couple tips. So this is what I'm working on. There are these 3 little horses and I'm making 50 of these guys and I want them all to be uniform or as uniform as possible. So what I did was in my Cricut file, you create an outline and I put a 0.01 outline on this. So it's almost exactly the right size. And these are going to go on announcements for a couple girls who are graduating. So these are the announcements. This is their school logo. So I really don't want to butcher their logo too much. I had to find a different Mustang, or their mascot is the Mustang. So I had to find a different Mustang because the one that I had found that matched it really closely had too many intricate pieces, and this one is pretty simplistic. So here's the invitation. You open it up, there's the rest of it. The picture will go here, the information will go here. Not invitation, announcement. So that's what I'm working on, but I just wanted to show you kind of what I'm going through right now and why I left these on my mat. So since I have 50 of these to make, what I have been doing is making like a little line, right? An assembly line. So I start off with the blue because it's in the back, and then I do the orange and then the green, which is in the front. And what I've been doing is I leave this alone because they're not going to slip and slide on me. They're not going to move around, and I can actually like mat them correctly. So if you're dealing with intricate pieces and things that you don't want to slide around, leave them on your mat. So that's my tip. That's my tip for Tip Tuesday. I found out that I can do 2 of these at a time. And all the little inner pieces are still attached in these horses. And so when I pull it off, those will go away too. So it won't be as bad. But what I do is I pull out the 2 blue ones, and they can go right on here, which makes it super easy. And see, I'm just lining it up with my outline, which makes it so much nicer, guys, to have an outline. So I do this when I have a lot of pieces and parts. I have an outline so I know exactly where everything goes, and I don't have to guess or be like, oh, I think I had it over here. Oh, I don't know. This is confusing. So leave it, make an outline, and then leave the outline on your mat, on your cut mat. Now, some people prefer the green mat over the blue mat. I found that the green mat is too sticky for me. The blue mat doesn't last as long, but it doesn't also tear my projects to pieces either. So, and since I've already put the adhesive down for the legs on the background, I don't have to worry about the really intricate legs on these horses. So now I just need 2 green ones. I just worry about the head and the body. The tails are already done for me on the background, so it makes life so much simpler when you do it all on the mat and when you do an outline. So make sure you do that outline. I'm going to finish these up, and then that'll be your tip for this week. If you have any Cricut questions, I know I've been learning a lot over the last year because I've been doing a lot of parties. I've done a lot of stuff on my Cricut, my poor Cricut. It's so overworked. But there's that. I'm going to do the rest and then assemble all my cards. Yeah. It still has 50 of these to cut too. Poor little Cricut. Alright, if you guys have any questions about the Cricut, feel free to ask me, contact me. If I don't know the answer, I will find it and hopefully respond timely. If not, then maybe we can work it out together. Alright, you guys have fun and stay crafty. Bye.